Hello my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. It is Wednesday, not my normal Monday. The last 4 school days I've had someone homesick, so I am excited to be alone and to finally be able to get into Aldi. Thankfully I don't have a full week of grocery shopping to do because Aldi is busy. It is the weekend before Christmas and I'm really hoping I don't spend way too long in there. I love grocery shopping, but I'd prefer to do it in a little less of a crowded space, especially when I'm recording. So let's get in. I'll share with you the rest of my meal plan for the week, as well as what we're having Christmas Day, what I'm taking to my in-laws on Christmas Eve. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's get in, get the goods, and I'll share with you all the meal plan and the recipe at the end. Plus, Mrs. Claus might have to round out a few things, if you know what I mean. I'm making broccoli cheese soup for dinner this week, so I need Velveeta, $4.79. We're making bruschetta for Christmas Eve at my in-laws. I need 2 baguettes, $1.69. White bread, 95 cents. Between Imperfect Foods and Walmart earlier this week, we are good on fruits and vegetables still. A drum roll, I cannot believe it, $4.62. With that price, who needs a limit? I'm getting a dozen just because it's a staple and we are low, but it kills me to buy them. A gallon of 2% milk, $2.78. I'm so sad they do not sell the coconut almond milk that I was in love with anymore. So I'm just gonna get the vanilla unsweetened, $2.29. I'm going to get some of my favorite coconut yogurt, 59 cents a piece. Something you don't see every day. I need potatoes to make mashed potatoes on Christmas Day. We're doing potato bowls, $3.99. I'm doing 1 pot pasta. I'm gonna get 2 cans of fire roasted tomatoes for $1.19 each. Sauerkraut for meatballs, $1.65. I need jellied cranberry, $1.98. And I know it sounds weird, but chili sauce, $1.39, rounds out the meatballs. I'm making chicken wings. I need, barbecue sauce. I'm gonna get hickory and brown sugar, $1.39. Special olives for Christmas Day, $2.98. And $1.29 for pickles. My absolute favorite Aldi cereal, $2.29. Enough juice boxes to get us through the week, $2.99 each. Look how cute those sheets are, $19.99. Our Aldi Finds aisle is a hot mess, but these are really cute family pajamas. Really picked through. $12.99 though. Those are cute. Tree skirts. You should really like that. But a lot of Christmas stuff picked through. Laundry items. Cleaning items. I don't really see much exciting that's new. An absorb mat. This could be maybe a good Christmas gift for someone. You can always find fun last minute gifts in the Aldi Finds aisle. That looks funny. Little games, lots of toys. I'm kind of blocked here, but pretty much looks like the same stuff as last week. Craft advent calendar did not sell at my store, but it's not on clearance either. Lots of toys. Not much time before Christmas. I'm interested what they'll do with all this. We are out of paper towel, and I hate using paper towel, but when you need it, you want it on hand. $4.79. Whee! I need Christmas coffee, and you know I'm not gonna go to Panera on Christmas Day. $4.89. I'm low on flour and sugar, so I might need to get flour at $2.19 and sugar at $2.75. Vegetable broth, we're having 1 pot pasta for dinner, $1.89. Linguine for the 1 pot pasta as well, $1.59. And then I'm going to get like probably 4 boxes of penne just because we're out of plain noodles at our house and we're heading into Christmas break. I need Parmesan shaker, $2.75. $4.29 for extra virgin olive oil, just running low. And $0.39 for brown gravy. Cinnamon, 99 cents. We'll get lemon, $3.85 for the water. Okay, it's so busy I'm not going to be able to go down the whole cabinets here, but there's lots of pizzas. I'm going to come back to those when I'm on the other side. Cream spinach. Oh, different pretzels. Those would be good on Christmas Day, but I think I might still have some. Different German strudels, quick fries, chicken nuggets, lots of hams. Oh, I can't remember what my holiday meat song was from last week. It's the holiday meats. Something like that, was it? I don't know, obviously. Ham is on sale, 85 cents. We do not make a big to-do with holiday dinners. We do easy layback stuff so we can all relax. I want chicken wings, but I do not want that many, so I'm gonna have to pass and look for a smaller package somewhere else. Okay, this looks so delicious. It's $11 or $10.59, but yummy. They also have these pretzel trays, pretty yummy looking as well, $9. This is delicious, I've bought it before. I am going to get pretzels because I think they'd be really good on Christmas Day if we want something else to add. $4.49. Okay, I'm making some pizzas tonight. I'm going to make this one, Caprino Verde. $2.99 for sharp cheddar. Yep, this looks perfect for Christmas Day. Just super simple. I know it's a little price heavy, but I'm getting it. $6.49. 3 bags of broccoli for broccoli cheese soup, 95 cents a piece. We're gonna get a cheese pizza, $3.49, and then I'm gonna get a rising crust pepperoni pizza, $3.69. Actually, I'm gonna get the cheese one of that as well, so $3.69 each. Putting the thin guy back. Never gotten these, so we'll see. Okay, so this is my Christmas gift to myself. I want this on Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. I love this. It'll keep me jolly all day long. $9.99. Okay, so I was just looking to see if there's anything last minute to add to stockings, but I really don't think so. Maybe because they're so cute, these little bears, but yeah, I don't think we need anything. Lots of cute things, tempting, but I don't see anything we can't live without, which is probably good. So here is my entire cart. Any guess on the total? While I'm in line, these are tempting. I'm not getting them, but they're pretty. Okay, my total is $103.70, and I had to put the Connollys back because I didn't have my ID. I forgot they ID everyone now. So I had to come back in with my ID, $10.59. Okay, so I came to Meijer to get a smaller pack of chicken, $6.59. Just over a pound of chicken wings. I need to make a video with these actually, which is why I'm making them, but I don't want a ton. So saved about $7 or $8 coming here. Okay, so our meal plan for the week, we are having broccoli cheese soup. I use broccoli, Velveeta, cheddar cheese, and carrots in that. It's really yummy, vegetarian. I'm gonna make a homemade crusty bread with that. We're gonna have one pot pasta that is vegetarian as well. You have tomatoes, basil, garlic, and you cook it all together, vegetable broth, really delicious, very simple. I'll use whatever leftover bread for this as well. We are going to have pizza, chicken wings, and applesauce. I have a new oven that I'm making videos for on Amazon, and I need to make pizza and wings in it. So that was the driver for this meal. And then on Christmas Eve, to my in-laws, we spent Christmas Eve with them. I'm bringing meatballs. I bring these almost every Christmas Eve. I wasn't gonna this year, but my mother-in-law requested me to. And she had actually meatballs I could use, so I just had to get the stuff to mix with it. I will link that recipe below. It's really good. It sounds like a crazy recipe, but they're delicious. I'm gonna make butter Parmesan pull-apart bread, and then I'm also gonna make bruschetta, and we're gonna toast the baguettes into slices. That's my husband's favorite. And then on Christmas Day, we're gonna do like the meat, cheese, charcuterie. We have the olives and the pickles that we bought, crackers, all of that delicious stuff. But then I'm also gonna make mashed potatoes. We're gonna air fry popcorn chicken and do the KFC bowls. I got this idea from my mom earlier this month. She kind of had that at hers, and it's just an easy, everyone can build how they like it. It's easy to make mashed potatoes, and you can kind of make it whenever it sounds good to you. That's my prerogative. I don't want to be making a big meal. People have to eat at a certain time. We kind of graze all day on Christmas. And in the morning, we're going to have homemade fresh blueberry muffins. My husband's going to make those. So this is our meal plan for the week. Any recipe we're using is going to be linked below. If you want to see how I make very simple, my kids' favorite applesauce, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, down and ciao.